We'll guide you through how to make a light switch in Minecraft. Now it's important to note that you do need to build the house to go and accommodate for this, because you need to have a bit of space in the walls to do so. So what I've done here is I've actually added like a little bit here, which is basically blank space where we can allow essentially the redstone, or aka the wiring, to go and make this work. So go and choose where you want the light switch to be. In this case, we're going to use a lever. Now that's there, what you then need to do is I'll just break a block next to it so I can keep sort of track of it. We need to go inside the wall, just like so, and the lever is on this block here. So place a block just behind it. And so then if I go and turn on the switch, as you can see that redstone is now powered. Then what we need to do is go and get this redstone into the ceiling, essentially the roof of the house. To go and do that, I found the best way is we can go and place another block here and place redstone on top of it, and then come above it, and you can place a slab here and then press redstone again. And what you can then do is keep repeating that until you get to the top of the building, just like so. Then what you need to do is choose where you want the lights to be. So in this case here, I want one here. Then once you've finished, come back onto the roof like so. And then what we need to do is go and connect all these up with redstone. Now you may find the redstone signal gets too weak. If that's the case, then you'll need to go and use redstone repeaters. Now I've gone and connected them all up, and when I come back here, I'll turn on the switch. As you can see, all the lights light up.